Hey you guys, I totally forgot to pick up my camera, and actually my camera is dead, so I'm using my phone right now. But I'm headed to meet up with my girlfriends. We were gonna go to brunch, but I guess it's like lunch. This place only does brunch on the weekends, I think. So anyways, I'm headed there. I'm super excited. I haven't had a girls lunch in about a week, I think. I've been going like once a week, and it's so refreshing and so nice. So yeah, I woke up this morning and I had to get ready and everything. I really wanted to record that for you guys, but yeah, I did my nails. Oh, my hands look so weird. Oh, you guys, I got a tan, so my hand looks darker. But anyway, I did my nails this morning, and then of course I did my makeup, and then I did my hair, but then I opted for a bun because it's supposed to rain and it's 80 degrees. I got in the shower and messed up my nail, you guys. But that's where I'm headed. I've actually never been to this restaurant. It's newer, and yeah, it looks really good. I seen pictures from another girlfriend that went, so yeah, I'm excited. So I'm just gonna vlog a little bit and take you guys along with me. So let's go. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, you guys. Join the Jazzy family. Comment down below. Let's communicate. Like, y'all don't be talking to me. Talk to me. Show me some love. But yeah, let's go enjoy and meet up with our girlfriends. My girlfriend. Where's Miss Kwan? Say hi, Jamie. Hold on. This place is really nice. It's called 42 Bar and Table.
But for today, it's so
really,
fun.
really pretty. I didn't really vlog going inside of the restaurant, but I should have, because it's super cute, perfect for like pictures and things like that. So they have indoor and outdoor options. It's like real cute. Perfect spot. It's quiet. But yeah, it's just cute. But I'm gonna take my baby back. I'm gonna take babe back there for like, we can do a date night.
So crazy.
So lunch is from, I think lunch is from 11 to 2, and then they do dinner from 4 to 9. So the next time I go, I'll dress up and like, it'll be cute. It's gonna be a cute little vibe. But anyway, you guys, look how cute my nails are. I love this color. Babe picked this color out for me one day, and I was like, when he first picked it out, I was like, no, but it's actually super cute. I like it a lot. Anyways, so today is the next day, and don't mind this happened in the dryer. Some ink got on there, but I look crazy because I literally just woke up about like an hour ago. Getting ready to go work out in a little bit, and I wanted to let you guys know because I'm gonna bring you guys with us. He's getting ready to go to the gym right now with his one of his gym buddies, and then we're gonna go when he gets back. So yeah, that's really the only plans that I have for today. I might see my sister today, but other than that, that's about it. This is so cute. I just love this color. So cute. Yeah, I'm trying to, like I said, I think I told you guys, I'm trying to do better. I haven't eaten too bad this week, I don't think, but just going to the gym and stuff, trying to do better. So we're gonna go there, right?
I'm only gonna be working out for an hour, so be ready when I get back.
Yeah, so
I gotta go to work this evening.
I need to charge my phone so that I can have it ready. So yeah, let's go. it is now the next day and we just woke up. I just had my coffee and now I'm getting ready to make some breakfast. I haven't made breakfast in a couple days.
You haven't made breakfast? You haven't made eggs and stuff.
Yeah, I haven't really made breakfast in a couple days, so I just started the laundry. Today is going to be kind of like a cleanup day, get everything, you know, in order. And yeah,
she gets everything in order. Like you know how, like, you know how she gets everything clean because you don't want the whole house to get dirty.
So we have eggs, some milk because I'm gonna make some pancakes. And
I love pancakes so much. I never had them in a while.
We got some sausage.
Yeah, I never had mine, you know. I never had that in a while.
Yeah.
I never had pancakes in a while, Mom.
So we got some sausage and some butter. And then I'm gonna make the pancakes with the...
Yeah, I never had pancakes before. Pancakes is my life and I love them. They're so soft and yummy.
So we need some flour, some sugar. What else? Some vanilla.
Mom, that's a lot of ingredients.
Yeah, some vanilla. We're gonna make up some pancakes. Usually when I make pancakes, I make them homemade, like from scratch. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm sore, of course, from working out yesterday, but honestly, working out feels so good because one thing about me, I hate working out, but I think once I get over like feeling tired or like hurting throughout the workout in the beginning, you know, like just that extra push is what I need. So let me lose these little love handles, girl. You didn't tell me nothing.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to cook and I'll let you guys see how I do the pancakes.
Yeah, the pancakes look good. So the pancakes are gonna look. Mom, you did no, Mom. Now I can see. And the pancake looks so hot and good. I never had them in 2 weeks in a while, but Mom's gonna make them and I'm gonna try them. They feel so soft, but I never used them. I never eat them before. But she's got to make them and I love them so much. And let's get it started while she makes the pancakes.
Okay, so I'm gonna show them. So I basically just Google, you know, easy pancake recipe, and I found one right here.
Yeah, the recipe she found on her phone is hilarious and I love it.
So yeah.
And she found everything on her phone, even people and even TikTok.
Okay, so that's the recipe that I'm gonna follow, you guys. So I need a bowl.
Mom, you gotta let me talk. You always talking everything. Can you stop talking?
So I have a bowl. Girl, I know you ain't talking.
And she's gonna put some milk in it. Are you gonna put milk in it?
I have my griddle also back here.
Oh no, she's gonna pour it on like it's a pancake, like a circle.
I need my measuring cup, y'all.
Yeah, y'all. She gets big cups and a measuring cup. That's how it gets small.
Okay, let me move.
Big.
I'll move my sausage and eggs. You guys, this sausage, I like to eat chicken sausage, if you guys don't know. But my friend put me onto this. It's called Konka sausage or something. Konka. Child. Ew, I just didn't even read the fact. Ew.
Yeah, she never went.
It's so good, you guys, but I don't eat a lot of sausage. And I just read that. I just read on here that it says natural sheep casing. Like, ugh, y'all. But it's fine. So I'm gonna make some of this. Put this in the back.
Hey, y'all have.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So, oh, I feel real baker-ish. Leveling off the wrong way though. So put one, dump it in there. One. And then a half of this. It says 1 1/2 cups. So here's a half. I don't even know if y'all can see. Here's a half. And then we need.
Yeah, it's like a sprinkle, like you put it inside there.
2 tablespoons of sugar.
Mom, can I do it?
So we have, let me close.
I want to do it this time.
2 tablespoons of sugar. So this is, I'm pretty sure, my tablespoon. And it seems like a lot of sugar. 2 of these.
Mom, can I taste some sugar?
And then we need some baking powder. Well, actually, you guys, a quick little trick. I don't add a lot of baking powder. Hold on.
Yeah,
I don't have to add a lot of baking powder because, hold on, Aaliyah. Because, hold on, y'all can't see me. Okay, so most recipes call for all-purpose flour. I don't buy all-purpose flour. I use self-rising flour. So when I'm making like my cookies and like things like this that require baking soda, I don't have to use it. And or if I do use it, I use like a pinch of it because self-rising flour already has you know, baking powder and all that stuff in it. But I'm gonna add just a little bit. Hold on, Lily. Stuff everywhere in different cabinets.
Mommy,
so I have
can
some
I do
baking
it?
powder.
Mom,
Lily,
can I
I'm
do
literally just gonna get a little bit on my hand. See? You guys, a little bit. Literally.
Can I see it?
And I just do. All right, you guys, let's eat. She doesn't eat meat, you guys.
Mom, what? Women's not outside. What?
Oh, I got the hiccups. It's okay.
Women's inside.
Oh, I got mangoes and I forgot. Okay, you guys.
Guys, welcome back to this video. We're at Dad's job and he's working, and we're gonna do some fireworks in a minute. We're about to get out the car and to let Mom say something. So go, Mom.
Yeah, so it's later in the day. Last time you guys saw us, I believe, was at breakfast, but it's later in the day now, and we are waiting to be able to see Mason.
Yeah, no.
Aaliyah. We're waiting to be able to see the fireworks. It's 8:24,
I thought we
so
were gonna do the fireworks.
it should get dark around 9, and then we'll be able to see them. So yeah. Lily.
Hi. Right there.
It's gonna be big. You can walk down there if you want to.
Be still. Sit, y'all.